hard time getting your family to eat veggies? Like, do you ever look up on like the odd Tuesday and say, when was the last time kid number one had a vegetable? And maybe your kids are teenagers now, and so they have jobs and their own cars, and they can go get takeout whenever they want. Sometimes I just lose track, and I don't know when the last time my family members have eaten vegetables. So what I like to do in those instances is just, rather than nagging them, which never works, I just make a veggie tray and I set it on the counter, and I don't say anything. Now, most of my family will want ranch dressing to go with this. A couple of them will eat it without. But having a little ranch dip on the side never hurts. So today we're going to make a ranch dip, and it's mainly ingredients that you probably already have. So let's get started. So what we are going to do is just start with a cup of mayo. Now, I am trying to wean my family off of seed oils. We've tried this with avocado mayo, and what I find is the avocado mayo tastes great on a sandwich or, you know, any of the other ways that you might use mayo, but I have a hard time with it for ranch dressing. It gives it an almost Miracle Whip flavor, and my family does not enjoy that. So we're starting with about a cup of mayo. Then we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit of sour cream. Let's call it about I'd say a third cup of sour cream. And now you're going to add as much milk as it takes to get to the consistency you are looking for. I'm going to start with just about 2 tablespoons, and we'll go from there. Go ahead and get a whisk and start incorporating that all together. Now, since I'm using this for a dip and not a dressing, I'm going to serve it with those dippable veggies. I'm not going to make it as thin as I would if I were going to drizzle it over a salad. Again, the only difference here is you're just going to add a little more milk if you want it to be that pourable consistency. Now, to that mixture, we're going to add our seasonings. I suggest starting small, because you can always add more, but you can't take any out once they're in. So I'm going to start with about a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a full teaspoon of parsley. And when I put in my parsley, if I'm using dried parsley, I like to put it in the palm of my hand and just kind of crunch it up as I put it into the bowl. And then I'm going to top it off with just a little sprinkle of pepper, just plain old black pepper. And now I'm going to mix that all really well and give it a taste. Perfect. Again, you can go ahead and adjust those seasonings to taste, but your starter recipe is mayo, sour cream, and a little bit of milk. Mix that to your consistency. Then you're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1 full teaspoon of parsley flakes, and a dash of black pepper. Mix that and adjust to your taste. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you next time. Hey there, I forgot to mention the best part. So as you noticed, we didn't put in any salt and we didn't put in any sugar. A lot of your bottled dressings have sugar and you just don't need it. So I hope you give this a try, and I'll catch you next time.